Hello guys, today I will show you how to mail merge. First, click the mailings and choose select recipients. After that, use existing list and pick the document that you're going to use. Next is edit the letter by highlighting the chosen part and insert merge field and click what part you're going to change. After changing all of that, you can now check your work by clicking preview results. After checking if everything is correct, you can now finish and merge. That's all.